hack around that topic. That's one of my favorites. So, all right. I don't know if you saw this little guy before. It's called Romo. It's a really nice toy. I love it for this type of hacking things and the stuff. All right. Well, I connected it. You possibly cannot see it, but what will be happening in a second? I hope we'll see. If it recognizes it, because as this a kind of ad hoc presentation, I didn't have a chance to recharge it today. So let's see. Presentations, especially in the Apple Mera, sometimes has tricks. It's like this small thing. But anyway, so here we go, guys. You can see it on the screen. Now I have extra controls that automatically. And let me do some fun. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm controlling this robot. And let me tell you what's so special about it. Well, first of all, it's really fun from my perspective. Right? The second thing, it really makes a kind of, sample application for the telepresence service that we see these days. But there is one extra special thing here, and that's basically why I invented this whole thing. So for many years, for the number of years that WebRTC technology was evolving, there was a talk about, hey, the data channel behind WebRTC may be good for real-time applications, especially for real-time control on remote objects. And as I was part of all those conferences, I remember those talks were happening just all the time. Well, they were happening, but no one was really trying to do it. So after about 4-something years hearing all that stuff, I said, guys, okay, we need to stop that. So let's try it. I mean, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we need to try it and prove it. So that's basically what I've done here. And yeah, so what you see here, unlike many other demos that I saw to the date with robotics that use WebRTC for voice and video communication for telepresence, but they use some remote server to actually control the object, exchanging messages. Here in this case, I just use the data channel to get voice and video in the peer-to-peer mode to connect to my robot and control it peer-to-peer directly. So the only thing that I need just a signaling server as a rendezvous point to let those two guys find each other. Well, for that part, I'm using Matrix. So Matrix, I love your stuff, guys. Thank you so much. I'm a big fan of yours. But anyway, so that's basically, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Carol, greetings. All right. So basically, that's it, guys. I hope you had some fun, and thank you so much.
If not,
what is that robot?
Sorry?
What is the robot?
Well, it's called Romo, R-O-M-O. It's a company, I think that they call something like Romantic. Unfortunately, to my knowledge, they just went bankrupt after about 3 years. It's really sad because I love these toys. I love whatever you use. It's really handy for demos, for different experiments and stuff. Oh, by the way, guys, one extra thing that I forgot to mention. I use this platform for different sorts of experiments. And for the native applications, I use Google's WebRTC library. So what you see here, by the way, is H.264 encoded video exchange between those things. So Google was working on that for some time, but to my knowledge, no one yet demoed that. So what you see now is the video that's encoded in H.264, hardware accelerated on the mobile device and tablets with Google's WebRTC library. So I think it's great. All right, thank you.
Excellent, thank you so much.